Hey guys, I got a arraignment. I got this Mushy Monster one. And here's the back. Yeah. And a card at the top. Here's the back. So my brother's just getting his gun. Well, his fake gun. And then here's the design. That's my auntie. Well, my mom's. I don't know. But yeah, here's the designs. Here are the designs. Sorry, that's my brother. And I got this cute little guy. He's very, very cute. And has a Lego block. And you just stick him in front. Like so. Like so. You're not gonna come. So I'm just telling my brother to close it off. But yeah. I got that guy. It's so adorable. I just want to hug him. And I'm getting more of these, so stay tuned. And then I got this Hello Kitty one. And this is series 2. I didn't see series 1, so I didn't get series 1. But yeah, and there's the mystery one. And the back. Oh, and for the back, gotta show you this one. This is the back for the Mushy Monster one. Oh god. Okay. Yeah. And I think this is so adorable because this whole thingy is like a bow. And this is Hello Kitty. So yeah. And here are the designs. Here are the designs. So they are. So my brother's talking to himself. My brother's talking to himself. Okay, so I got Hello Kitty. And a Lego block and a trumpet. So I'll show you how it look like when I put everything all together, like here. You know what I mean? You should know what I mean. So here, it's like a block just fell off, I guess. Okay, I'm not putting the hand up. How does this thing even work? Sorry, my mom's doing work and you can hear that kind of noise. Wait, come on, I can't put it in. Okay. Oh my god, are you serious? So yeah, and then hey guys. Oh my god. Sorry that took too long. Okay, that's better. Sorry that took too long. But here guys, it's so adorable. Oh my god, I might be collecting more of these. So sorry, that was the table. So here are these two, and they're so adorable. Oh my god, look at them. Oh my god, so cute. And yeah, so I got the Mushy Monster and the Hello Kitty one. Okay, bye everyone.